Solidarity forever.
Thank you. You can see that you have the cream la cream in Obiakpo here when you talk about politics. We have gathered this morning to restate clearly that we are completely loyal to our leader, the leader of Rivers politics, His Excellency Ezebunonye Wike, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory. We support him totally and fully. We also want to state that as a local government, Obiakpo Federal Constituency is grateful to the Inspector General of Police for ensuring that there is no breakdown of law and order in Rivers State.
We stand by the rule of law. Nobody should cherry pick which law to obey or which one to disobey. All laws of Rivers State must be obeyed. Anything not provided by any law of Rivers State must be discountenanced. So we look forward to the courts, and we have urged our people to remain peaceful, and we know that God that is in heaven is on our side. Thank you, and God bless you. Thank you.
All right. The Nigerian youth and Rivers youth are grateful for you coming to take over our secretariat, our local government secretariat, thereby stopping invaders. Before the arrival of your men, through your deployment, some few local governments has been invaded by the people loyal to the executive governor of Rivers State. We were very happy when we hear him say that he is discharging and giving responsibility to the head of personnel of the local government to take over, pending the determination of the various completing court cases and court orders before the law courts. But to our dismay, on the 17th of this month, people were giving funds meant for development to go and siege and take over our local government with arms. We are saying this because we want to thank the Nigerian police force for preventing these hoodlums from taking over our secretariat and looting our local government secretariats.
My duty as a policeman is to protect lives and properties. And I give you my word that we are going to continue to protect lives and properties. We are not politicians. We will do our best not to join their politics. I thank you so much for all you have done, for the support you have given us. I assure you that we'll continue to do our jobs of maintaining law and order. River State is a very, very important state to the economy of our great nation, Nigeria, and there must not be breakdown of law and order. I thank you so much for all you have done. I thank you for coming to see us today. I've taken note of everything you have said. We will continue to maintain law and order. And whenever we do any mistake, do not hesitate to tell us so that we can correct any mistake we have done. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you. We appreciate you.
Solidarity forever.